Hello mga kamis! Magandang araw, panibagong video na naman po tayo. Ngayong araw ay pag-usapan natin itong bagong amendments sa DepEd Order number 7 Series 2023. So ito pa ay nilabas noong December 23, 2024. So fresh pa lang po to last month. So pag-usapan po natin kung ano ba yung nakaka-excite at magandang balita na bagong amendments dito sa DepEd Order number 7 Series 2023. So let's go! So dito lang tayo. Ito lang yung pag-usapan natin, yung kakaiba at napakagandang mensahe o impormasyon na matututunan natin. Dito lang yan sa Kahamis Vlog. Punta tayo doon sa special hiring arrangement. Dito lang tayo mag-focus kasi masayang bagay itong pag-usapan. Nakaka-excite para sa ating mga aspiring teachers ng Department of Education. Special hiring arrangement in view of recent developments in DepEd policies pertaining to beneficiaries of national programs and or agreements, Section 58C of DO 7 Series 2023 shall be amended to read as, so yung amendment, other laws or provisions of the law, national policies, and or agreements entered into by DepEd with other government agencies and or non-government organization with grant priority in the appointment. Special hiring arrangement that fall under the purview of Section 58C of DO7 Series 2023 only apply to agreements entered into by DepEd at the national level. Further, priority in the appointment granted to beneficiaries of such laws, national policies and programs and or agreements shall only apply to teacher applicants listed in the CAR RQA, unless otherwise explicitly stated in the agreement and or DepEd issuance for such purpose. Appointment and deployment of beneficiaries shall likewise take into consideration the aforementioned conditions, particularly on specialization requirements and localization law. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pa rin ng ating mga teachers mag-apply para po makapasok tayo doon sa CAR RQA. Eto na. An end to these beneficiaries of the following program shall undergo the assessment for purpose of identifying professional development needs but shall be exempted from the 50-point cut-off score provision. Ito yung maganda dito. Beneficiaries of the following programs, sana all, shall undergo the assessment for purpose of identifying professional development need. Alright, so mag-undergo sila ng assessment. Ang purpose lang po nito ay para malaman kung ito bang aplikante na ito ay meron pang kakayahan magturo under the Department of Education. I-assess kung kaya pa ba nila o need intervention, kailangan ba nila ng refresher course para mas lalo pa silang maging mas magaling sa kanilang pamamaraan ng pagtuturo. At sino-sino ito na qualified dito sa special arrangement. Ito po ay yung mga beneficiaries nitong tatlo na programa ng gobyerno. Number 1, if you are a purpose program of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. So kung kayo po ay graduate na ng education at pumasa na po kayo ng licensure examination for teachers at noon po kayo po ay beneficiaries ng purpose, kayo po ay kasama dito sa special hiring arrangement. Alright! Wow! Congratulations sa lahat ng purpose beneficiaries na graduate ng education. Kasi pwede kayong mag-apply for a teacher 1 position at hindi nyo kailangan ang 50 points na score para makasama sa RQA. Wow! Wow! Ano pa lang yun ha? Unang pakilig ba? Pangalawang programa, ito yung tinatawag nating SPEMS o yung sa Pinas, ikaw ang ma'am at sir. Wow, sa Pinas, ikaw ang ma'am at sir. This is an employment program of the Department of Migrant Workers. Basically, ito yung sa OWA na programa. Okay, mamaya pag-usapan natin yung tungkol dito sa SPEMS. And then we have the RA 7687 and RA 10612 or the scholarship programs of the Department of Science and Technology Institute. Ito yung DOST scholars na graduate ng education at pasado ka sa LET, pwede ka pong kasama dito sa special hiring. Wow! Kung ikaw ay DOST scholar, nung ikaw ay nag-aaral, tara na, apply na po dito sa Department of Education. Kung kayo ay pasok po doon sa tatlong programa ng gobyerno, well, you are very qualified to be a teacher under the Department of Education. Malaki po yung inyong tsansa na makapasok ng madali sa Department of Education. At hindi na kayo mapapagod sa kakapabalik-balik para mag-apply. Di tulad noon, way back, nang wala pa itong amendments na ito ng Department of Education. Medyo mahirap. So ngayon, may pinadaling paraan. Ito po ay yung mga 4Ps beneficiaries po ng SPEMS, and DOST scholars. Alright, so next, priority also. Bibigyan din ng priority, pero hindi siya special hiring, Priority lang shall likewise be given to qualified applicants who previously served as local government unit funded teachers, learning support aides, and volunteer teachers, provided they possess the appropriate specialization and other specific skills and qualification requirements. Furthermore, community ALS implementers, CAIS, learning facilitators, and inclusive Learning Resource Center, ILRC, personnel shall be given priority in filing up teaching positions assigned to ALS program and special needs education. So, isa rin yun sa magandang balita kasi magiging priority na po ng Department of Education hiring process itong mga nag-serve na po sa LGU, yung nagbigay na ng kanilang nag-volunteer, naging learning support aid sa mga schools. Okay, so malaki na din po yung chance natin. Yun po yung bago sa amendments ng DO7 series of 2023. Ngayon po, pag-usapan natin ano ba yung SPEMS. So dito tayo. OWA, sa Pinas, ikaw ang ma'am at sir program, o tinatawag basically known as SPEMS program. Sa Pinas, ikaw ang ma'am at sir program is a pioneering reintegration initiative designed for OFWs who have passed the licensure examination for teachers. This collaboration among the Department of Migrant Workers, National Reintegration Center for OFWs, Department of Education, and Philippine Normal University aimed to address the country's teacher shortage by offering OFW-led passers employment opportunities in public schools. Wow. By facilitating the transition of OFWs back into the local workforce as educators. It leverages the skills and experiences gained abroad for the betterment of the Philippine education system. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga OFW na po nating mga teachers na gustong bumalik na sa Pilipinas at ito po yung kanilang programa, yung STEMS. At pwede po kayong maging makapasok sa Department of Education through special hiring arrangement. Beneficiaries who are specially OFW-led passers with or without experience. Pwede po yung may experience na sa ibang bansa na let passers at nagtuturo na doon, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa Pilipinas at mag-avail nitong SPEMS program ng OWA. At pwede rin po kayo, in case ang trabaho nyo doon ay iba yung line of work ninyo doon sa ibang bansa at matagal na kayo nagtatrabaho doon, but you are a license holder. Ibig sabihin, you are a let passer. Pwede rin po kayong pumunta at mag-apply sa SPEMS program ng OWA. The purpose sa Pinas, ikaw ang ma'am at sir, ang purpose po nito ay what? Para daw ang purpose po nitong SPEMS program ay para ma-address natin yung teacher shortage and empowers returning OFWs by facilitating their reintegration as educators. Para daw mapabalik natin yung mga talentado nating mga guro na nagtuturo sa ibang bansa na dapat ay dito sa Pilipinas magturo. And then para ma-address din yung shortage natin sa mga teachers. The benefits. Ano ba yung mga benefits ng SPEMS program dito sa ating mga aspiring teachers na beneficiaries nitong programang ito ng gobyerno? Una daw, employment opportunities in public schools. Wow, benefits na yon. Wow na wow. Employment opportunities in public schools. Ibig sabihin, pagpunta nyo dito, pag-avail nyo ng programa, maaari na kayo makapagturo sa Department of Education. Pero mag-undergo pa rin kayo ng process ng assessment. Okay po ba yon? Mag-undergo kayo ng assessment para i-check lang kung yung professionalism ninyo o yung professional abilities ninyo ay kaya pa dito sa ating bansa. An online refresher course provided by PNU. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, nag-assessment at na-identify na medyo kailangan mo ng refresher course, yan. May online refresher course na po na ipoprovide ang Philippine Normal University. Libre yan. Ito yung pangatlo. Ito yung maganda. Teaching kits, a laptop or tablet, and 20,000 pesos worth of school materials upon assignment. Wow. Halimbawa, nag-apply kayo sa DepEd at nabigyan na kayo ng assignment order. Pwede kayo mabigyan ng 20,000 worth of school material and laptop or tablet, okay? And teaching kit. Hindi na-enumerate kung ano yung mga teaching kits na ibibigay, but sa ganun pa lang na benefits, napakaganda ng pakinggan. Eligibility qualification. To be eligible, applicants must be, number 1, Filipino citizens with a valid passport. Siyempre naman, OFW ka. Siyempre may valid passport ka. O, pangalawa, OFW, let passers with at least 1 year of teaching experience within the last 5 years or without teaching experience. Pwede yung may experience at pwede rin yung walang experience. And OFWs who have not stayed in the Philippines for over 3 years from the application date. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, nagtuturo ka na doon, OFW ka na for almost 4 years, 5 years, at hindi ka na naninirahan dito for almost 3 years, pwede po kayong mag-apply. At you are qualified. So, ano pa? Tara na. Apply na. Requirements. Okay, a completed application form available at NRCO, passport or a valid ID with a copy of the passport showing arrival and departure stamps, PRC ID and certificate of board rating, proof of overseas employment, teaching employment certificates if applicable. Kung kayo ay nagturo doon, teaching employment certificates. If you have no experience, so okay lang siguro wala yan. So, yun po yung mga requirements. Ano? A complete application form available at NRCO. Ano yung step-by-step guide on how to benefit from SPEMS? Online application, complete the form at the official NRCO link and submit the necessary documents via email. OWA office application, okay, visit the OWA regional office to visit the documents and email application. But now, meron silang bago. Pwede kayo mag-apply sa SPEMS program by just fill upping the Google Forms. So, dun po sa mga willing mag-apply sa SPEMS program ng mga kapatid nating mga guro dyan na OFW ngayon na nasa ibang bansa, ilalagay ko po dito sa description yung link ng online application po ng OWA para dito sa SPEMS program. So, bisitahin nyo na lang, i-click nyo ang link dyan sa baba, dyan sa description box at mag-apply na para special hiring arrangement na kayo dito sa DepEd, Department of Education. So, I hope na-refresh ang lahat at nakuha nyo yung mga gandang punto ng amendments na pinalabas ng Department of Education. So, yun lang po. I hope na meron kayong natutunan kahit konti. Again, this is Kahamis Vlogs, your friendly neighborhood, your friendly teachers, at palaging nagsasabi, Kahamis Vlogs, mula sa puso. I love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.